And now the threading of the machine. I got a spool. I read the manual. We have 2 holes here. We have to pass the thread in. Then we have to get inside this hole. This little thing will press the thread as it sews. More thread. Then we go up here. This is to control the tension. With this little screw you can control it. Then you get inside this little hole from the bottom to the top. There is another hole here at the top of the needle bar. Here we are. And see this other tiny little hole? Let's get inside that. Good. Finally, we can get inside our needle. Lower the press surface so I can reach from outside towards the inside, but if you have a manual, it will tell you. And here you threaded your machine. We are ready for a little sewing test. Got a little piece of fabric. So let's see the machine in action. And here is our chain stitch. So, let me cut this thread. Front. This is the back. Chain stitch is perfect for basting because if you pull here, it will all go away. To avoid this, you just need to close it like this. You pull the thread out of the loop as you would do in crochet. And here you have your nice little stitch. I really like the back of this. The chain stitch, I'm thinking about using it as a decorative stitch somewhere.